Go for it.
Do not try this at home.
Keep going. Stupid. Wait a minute. Got an idea. Sonny, do you think you could hold the camera?
Why?
Keep sit on the chair. Hold.
What are you gonna do?
Keep holding your face. You're all zoomed up on your face.
Oh,
Don't drop my phone.